I'm Linda Green, and I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I love sharing little tips and recipes on how to use the oils and what they're good for. So today we're going to make a roller bottle for grief. We've had some tragedies in the last week or so with plane crashes and different things, and it's sad, and we all go through grief. Sometimes we lose a friend, a family member, maybe a pet, maybe a friend. Sometimes it's a relationship, but we all experience grief in our lives. So I'm going to give you a little recipe to help you deal and cope with the grief that we all run into from time to time. So I've got a purple bottle right here, and we're going to start with Siberian Fir. Siberian Fir is great for physical discomfort and emotional discomfort. It's really great for you for times when you are sad or you're despairing or you're experiencing loss like we talked about. It really helps to kind of soothe those emotions. So we're going to start with 7 drops. Okay, ooh, got a bonus, which is fine. Okay, next we're going to use some bergamot. I love the smell of this one. It's a citrus, but it's not a super strong citrus. It's not overwhelming. So we're going to use 5 drops, and this is also good for when you're despairing, you feel hopelessness or feeling unloved, and just those losses again. So 5 drops. There's that. Okay, next we're going to use frankincense. Frankincense is great for so many things, and the emotional part is when you feel like you're unloved, you feel abandoned, you feel disconnected, and you're feeling like you're just not in alignment. So it's a really good one. It's so good for so many things. That's why it's called the king of the oils. Also, if you're feeling like you're kind of like in spiritual darkness, it's good for that as well. So again, we're going to use 5 drops. There's that. And the last one we're going to use is Roman Chamomile. It's a very gentle, kind of a soft floral. It's great to help you relax at night to go to sleep as well. So it's a really good one. So if you're feeling unloved, you're heartbroken, or you feel wounded, this is a great one. And I've mentioned this before, it's also really good for confidence. So we're going to use 3 drops of the Roman Chamomile. That one comes out really fast. Ooh, that's really pretty. And then we're going to top it off with the fractionated coconut oil. Oh, I almost dropped it. So we're going to top it off with the fractionated coconut oil just about to the shoulder of the bottle. Just get that in there. I'll just watch that, almost there. There we go, perfect. And I'll smell it before I put the roller bottle in. Oh, it's yummy. Oh, yeah, it's a good one. So then we're going to get our roller top, and I have my handy little gadget here. So I just snap that on. Better move that so it doesn't get knocked over. This one's being stubborn. There we go. Some of them are easier to do than others. So now there's the little roller top, and I'll put the lid on it, kind of stir it up a little bit, just like that. And I do not have a label for this. My labels are on their way, but they haven't arrived yet. So this bottle will get a label as soon as those get in here. Cool. So I wanted to share just a little bit of information with you as well. A lot of the information I research is in this emotions book. It's Essential Emotions, and it's fabulous for any time that you feel. We all have emotions, so anytime you're feeling something that's a little uncomfortable or you're struggling with something, this book is a great tool to have. It's fabulous. I use it a lot. So anyway, that is another quick roller bottle, which I love the roller bottles. And I've mentioned this before, you know, if you've got like 4 or 5 oils that you're going to use, it's so nice when you just mix them up. You've got a roller bottle, you can roll it right on the inside of your wrists, your elbows, the back of your knees, the bottoms of your feet, the back of your neck. And because it's so much faster once you've got this made, which didn't take very long at all, it's so much easier than opening up the lids of 4 or 5 different oils or whatever and applying them one at a time. This is just a super handy way to get the benefits of essential oils. So I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. And I would love it if you would like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to be able to help you learn how to use the oils in your home for your family and for your needs. So also, if you would like to, I will post a link. There will be a link there that you can download my little free guide that's about essential emotions and how to manage those emotions. So, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You have a fabulous day, and don't forget to oil up. Okay, take care. Bye.